ना जाने तेरा साहिब कैसा है, ना जाने तेरा साहिब कैसा है, जाने ना तेरा साहिब कैसा है.
When practiced at a different place at different time for different reason, it becomes ridiculous also. And therefore you see the comedy of religions. Because the essence, the principle is lost. And practices are done without understanding the purpose. It is this that has been questioned. And the real essence, the teachings that were supposed to be passed on. And even teachings by merely reading books and books and books. Gita Vachke, Bani Gaye Labda, a prattler only. Talking a lot. And not only that, in every religion, the unessential practices, not knowing what is the essence, what is the truth, who is that Lord, and what does that Lord want of us. And do so many things, so many gymnastics. Na jaane tera sahib kaisa hai. You never came to know who your Lord is, who your God is. And yet you fought over my God, your God. Na jaane tera sahib kaisa hai. Nor do you know how does your Lord feel when he sees his children like this. Na jaane tera sahib kaisa hai. Do you even know what pleases him or what does he want? Na jaane tera sahib kaisa hai.
ना जाने तेरा साहिब कैसा है, 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 जाने ना तेरा साहिब कैसा है. मस्जिद ऊपर मुल्ला पुकारे, मस्जिद ऊपर मुल्ला पुकारे, अल्लाह अल्लाह भी तो साहिब सुनता है चिमटी के पगने और बांधे वो भी तो साहिब सुनता है वो भी तो साहिब सुनता है ना जाने तेरा साहिब कैसा है जाने ना तेरा साहिब कैसा है ना जाने तेरा ना जाने तेरा ना जाने तेरा साहिब कैसा है जाने ना तेरा ना जाने तेरा जाने ना तेरा साहिब कैसा है
You can see that Kabir Das ji was also totally disturbed with all the screaming that goes on nowadays on huge mics in big cities. What was the reason for that and what are they done with it? Screaming away like politicians. ना जाने तेरा साहिब कैसा है मस्जिद ऊपर मुल्ला पुकारे on the top of the masjid or even inside the masjid or outside the masjid, that mullah calls out loudly. Kabir, who's trying to be in peace and trying to point out, why are you screaming away and spoiling your vocal cords? Kya tera sahib beh raha hai? You mean, see, the louder and louder you speak, or the louder and louder you scream, or the louder and louder you call out, people will come to you, or the Lord will come to you. Is your Lord deaf? Chuti ke pag nevar baje. That if there is trinklets or payal jisko kehte an ant's anklet, how small will it be? चूटी के पज नेवर बांधे और भाजे वह भी साहिब सुनता है. That's slight. He listens. Even your thoughts, he listens. Sunta hai Guru Gyani, 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 Gyani. That universal listener, that universal teacher, that universal consciousness, that universal knowledge and source of knowledge, even an anklet of an ant, he can hear. You don't need to shout and scream. Kya tera sahib beh raha hai? Do you even know the nature of your God for which you are ready to kill, plunder, destroy, convert? Na jane tera sahib kaisa hai. And like there are many, many verses. It's not only for the Hindus or the Muslims, it is for everybody. And even if somebody thinks that, I don't believe in this Allah or God or this or that, or even those who believe, and everybody says, God is one. My religion alone is the true religion. And only if you follow my religion, in that religion also there are so many parts, so many sects, so many cats, so many ropes, and so many posts, and so many offerings, temptations. and you want everybody to be one with you. You want everybody to agree with you, and if you don't agree, you are going to kill them. Yeah? Do halal of them. Yeah? Murder them. Yeah? Offer it to God. And your God is going to love such sacrifices. All this has already been questioned before in the previous, and many, many such dohas are there by Sant Kabir. And how do you want me to agree with you? See, please understand. Yeah? The truth may be there in all religions, but all religions are not the same. Yeah? Don't keep repeating that. The essence and the principles behind all their practices might be the same, but the practices cannot be the same. And how over a period of time they distort, how can they be the same? For those who walk the path of truth, how can they agree with you? Because you say, no, God is one, God is this, all religions are okay, or all religions are bad. Whatever you might say. Kabir Das ji says, why do you want to convert me? Why do you want me to agree with you? Oneness is not when everybody agrees with you. Oneness is there only in the truth, and the truth alone is. And therefore, one another beautiful song of Kabir is Tera Mera Manwa Kaise Ek Ho Hi Re. How can we, our minds be the same? How can we agree on the same thing? This kind of agreement, and this is the difference between those who follow dharma, those who follow the path of truth. Yeah? They don't believe that in uniformity there is unity. But we have to recognize that unity in the diversity. The truth in midst of all the paraphernalia of religions. But the paraphernalias are not same. That which is distorted is not the same. Don't say that everything is okay. It is not. And therefore Kabir Das ji is vocal about it.